A call for no hot water. Pilot is out and we are not able to relight the pilot because temp control knob is broken missing. What would be your repair option in this case? We decided to replace the entire gas valve. We first shut down the gas supply, then the water supply. We connected a garden hose to drain valve and drain out all the water. Removed the gas supply hose to the valve. Unplug the igniter wire. Disconnect the thermopile wire. Disconnect the pilot tube line. Disconnect the main burner supply line. Spin the valve control counterclockwise and remove it. Apply a gas-approved Teflon tape to the tread of new gas valve on the clockwise direction.